What was happening was I was getting that little sagging skin here, as well as over here some jowls were hanging. I just felt like I looked older when I looked in the mirror. You know, as I said, my son used to make fun of me, and I know it didn't look nice. It bothered me. You know, my self-confidence was a little bit lowered because of that. I needed that lifted as well as this. So he told me about this new Threadlift that they just, you know, started to do, and that would help both areas. So I opted for that. I didn't have to go under any anesthesia. It was done right locally in the office. I did have my husband drive me because, you know, in case I had to take some local medication, a Percocet or something like that, a Valium, just to relax me, because they did have to numb the area. And then came in, lied on the stretcher, and they numbed the area, put the strings in. It took maybe an hour. I just feel better about myself when I look in the mirror. I mean, I'm a married woman with 3 children. It's not like I'm going to look for a husband. But, you know, I just feel better about myself when I get ready in the morning. Yeah, I used to have a lot of wrinkles in my forehead, as well as in between my eyebrow area called the glabella, and over here on the crow's feet. So I had the Botox, and that really has helped tremendously with the wrinkles in the forehead, and in here I had a very deep crease. It's still there, but not as pronounced. And I think I really recommend the Botox for the forehead because it just makes a world of difference. I feel like I look a lot younger, and people have noticed that I work with. You know, when I went back to work after the weekend, they were just like, wow, you really look good. And they don't know exactly what it is. They just say you really look good, and, you know, unless you want to tell them, which, you know, I do.